Good morning, student. Now our last topic is left, that is excretory system in human beings. Okay. Now you already you studied about that how our blood is transporting the important material to each and every one cell, and how how the blood is taking the substances which is unnecessary. Okay. Now, as you know that what about the substances which are unnecessary or the substances which is not good for our body? So how the blood is removing these substances, these elements from it? So the kidney is the main organ which is basically purifying our blood. Okay, so we have a pair of a kidney, we have two kidneys. Okay, so this kidney is basically, what is kidney is doing? The kidney is basically purifying the blood. Okay, now you see that the waste which is present in the blood has to be removed from the body. How can this be done? A mechanism to filter the blood is required. This is done by the blood capillaries in the kidneys. ठीक है. Okay, now when the blood reaches to the two kidneys, it contain both useful and harmful substances. So the useful substances are absorbed by the kidney and again it is released in the blood, and those are who are unuseful substances, it was absorbed by the kidney and it was released to the water, and as a urine it comes out from our body. Okay, now when you see that, though this is the diagram of our excretory system, and here you can see that it is a pair of a kidney. Okay, and you see that this is the pair of kidney, and you see that these are the ureters. Okay, and this is the urinary bladder, and this portion is called as the urethra. Okay, this is called the urethra, and downside of it is a urinary opening. Now what is the function of all these? So as you know that kidney is basically purifying the blood. Okay, so whenever the blood passes through the kidney, it has both the substances, harmful as well as useful. So useful substances absorbed by the kidney and released to the blood. Harmful substances send it to the water, and water through this urine, through this ureter, come to the urinary bladder. Okay, and it is stored here for some time, like 4 to 5 hours and all. Okay, according to the capacity of person to person bladder. So after that, when our urinary bladder is filled with the water, then it started giving a contraction, and we get a feeling like that we need to go washroom, and after this washroom or this urine uh, comes out from ureter, and this is the urinary opening. Okay, so these all, the name and the diagram is also important. You have to draw this diagram in your classwork copy today. So this is okay, clear? Ureter, urethra. ओके, सो यहाँ पे आप देखिए, एन एडल्ट ह्यूमन बीइंग इज नॉर्मली पास्ड अबाउट 1 to 1.8 liter of urine in 24 hours. ठीक है, so almost 1.5 liter of urine we are passing every 24 hours. Okay, so urine, if we are talking about the composition of urine has a 95% of water, 2.5% of urea, and 2.5% of other waste product. Okay, so this is also important, you should know. And what is this dialysis? You have listened that that parents or that person is in the dialysis. है ना? What is this dialysis? So basically dialysis is that process because in that person the kidney is not working properly, and as you know that kidney is doing a blood purification, blood filtration. So now if the kidney is not working, then who is going to separate the unuseful substances from the blood? Then we are doing the dialysis is basically, sometimes a person kidneys may stop working due to the infection or injury. As a result of kidney failure, waste product start accumulating in the blood. Such person cannot survive unless their blood is filtering periodically through an artificial kidney. So this process is called as dialysis. Basically dialysis is a machine through which the blood is passing, and this machine is separating the unuseful substances from our blood. Clear? Now we are talking about the transportation of substances in the plant and animal. So in the plant and animal there is the vascular bundles for that, and vascular bundles may be the xylem or the phloem is there. So xylem carries the water to the plant, okay, and phloem is carrying the food in the plant. So xylem and phloem both are the transporting material in the plant. And another one process, it is a transpiration. So transpiration, it means when we are talking about the loss of water from the upper surface of the plant. Okay, so as you know that because of the leaf, plants are releasing the unnecessary water from it. So this is called transpiration. It means the removal of water from the aerial surface of the plant. So this is called transpiration. So now your chapter is completed. Today you have to do the question and answer of this. Already the PDF I send it to you. Do complete question and answer of this chapter today.